Hello everyone, and welcome back to Jeffrey's channel. Today, we're delving into the world of investing, specifically tailored for beginners. If you've ever wanted to dip your toes into the stock market but weren't sure where to begin, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the essentials of investing, demystify key concepts, and provide you with the confidence to take those crucial first steps. Let's get started. Before we dive into stocks and markets, let's cover the basics of investing. Investing is about putting your money to work to potentially generate returns over time. It's a smart way to grow your wealth and work towards your financial goals. Now, let's understand stocks. A stock represents ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder and own a portion of that company. Your potential gains come from the company's success and growth. Step 1 in investing. Set clear investment goals. Are you looking for short-term gains or long-term growth? Defining your goals helps shape your investment strategy. Step 2. Understanding risk and reward. All investments come with risks, but they can offer higher returns. It's important to find a balance that matches your risk tolerance and financial goals. Step 3. Exploring different types of investments. Besides stocks, there are bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Each has its benefits and suits different investment objectives. Step 4. Researching companies. Before investing, research the companies you're interested in. Look at their financials, management, and market trends to make informed decisions. Step 5. Opening an investment account. You'll need a brokerage account to buy and sell stocks. Choose a reputable brokerage that offers user-friendly platforms and affordable fees. I use Robinhood Investment Brokerage. I find it to be very user-friendly. There's a referral link that will be at the bottom of the description. If you sign up with Robinhood using the link, we both will receive some free stock. Step 6. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments across different sectors and industries helps reduce risk. Step 7. Using dollar cost averaging. Instead of timing the market, invest a fixed amount regularly. This strategy reduces the impact of market volatility. Lastly, remember the power of a long-term perspective. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about patiently growing your wealth over time. There you have it, investing for beginners. By understanding the basics, setting goals, doing research, and adopting a long-term mindset, you're well on your way to becoming a confident investor. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more investment insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing. Don't forget to subscribe to Jeffrey Basnight's channel for regular updates. See you in the next video.